Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking your oil rebuild journey through our time traditions and textures as we dive deep into the world of Myanmar, the iconic traditional dress that blends cultures with grace. Whether you are fashion lovers, cultural, or someone curious about easy African heritage, you are in for a treat. Don't Mimar, it's not just a dress, it's a story rooted, handcrafted from cotton based and women fabrics. So women wore it for wedding holiday like tankets and mishkals. Other special women wore it for wedding holiday likes, and the following fabrics are intricate patterned along the borders, and the elegant fit reflects the craftsmanship of passed down the through generations. The word Mimar itself is derived for the Amer- word for learning or scholarships, representing grace, wisdom, and dignity which the dress embodies. Mimar dress is a piece of art, the process being with raw cottons which is spun by hand and dyed using lesser color it's then moves, and traditional looms usually operated by skilled, mostly men in town like the most eye that curve embroidery that line the hems and sleeves. These patterns vary by region and tribes, with communities having their own distinct design. It can take day to week. Someone dress each mimar deeply unique, valuable. Last far towards mimar has not stood. Modern designs are not imaging mimar by mixing it with contemporary, creating a beautiful blend of old and new. Celebrity influence and diaspora communities showcase their heritage and style with pride. Accessories often include metals or shore wraps, often reversed for your reality and novelty in the past. Don't forget the hair. Traditional hairstyles lack complete the full look, connecting fashioning with identity. In a world which where humanities remind of us of follow craftsmanship, cultural pride, and essential legacy. Wearing Mimar is more than style, it's about honoring where it's come from. It's about giving connections to weave the mother who passed down the fabric and the design breathing new like info. In a decoration, I know my roots, I respect my cultures, and I carry it with pride. Thank you for joining. Until next time, stay stylish and stay rooted. Drop a comments below what your favorite mimars, colors, or styles. Thank you for watching. Use in celebrating the elegance and meaningful of Mimar. If you enjoyed this deep dive into fashion, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more culture content, and share this with someone who would Mimar too. Don't forget to like.